Hello students, welcome to week 2 of Psych 2010. So this week we'll really dive into psychology as a science and profession. Hopefully you've got a little better sense of how the course is going to work, the kind of work you'll be required to do. You've reviewed the syllabus, you've read one chapter in Stanovich. So this week we're really diving into stuff. So as a reminder, the first things you should check every week for the course are the introduction page for the week, as well as your syllabus. So here I've got the week 2 introduction page up. Right now you should see this video in a box right here, but again, I'm recording it right now, so it doesn't exist yet. That I will have these more in advance later on down the week, but I'll probably be recording them pretty soon to when I open the courses, just in case there's anything additional for the week or that students have been asking about that I can include there. So I'm not recording these too far in advance. So, readings for this week, you will have Stanovich chapter 12. I know we just read Stanovich chapter 1, and now we're jumping to chapter 12, so I'm from the beginning to the very end. That'll happen a couple times in this course. So pay close attention to the chapters that we're doing every week in your syllabus and in this intro page, because we do jump around a little bit. There will be some chapters that are like right one after each other, but in some places we jump around quite a bit. So pay attention to that. Again, you can look at this calendar for week 2 here. We've got Stanovich chapter 12 and Dunnen-Hallinan chapter 5 for the readings. You can see you will have a discussion board post due again on the 31st. This will be more relevant to the actual class content this week versus an introduction to yourself. Your response post is due on Friday, and then you do have a PEP assignment due Saturday evening again. So that one's quite a bit different than the first. It'll be more relevant to, again, the readings for this week. So that should give you a little idea of what to expect, when to plan things out. With 2 chapters, you'll have at least 2 lectures. So plan times during the week to do that. Maybe look over what the discussion board will be about. I believe it focuses on the Stanovich chapters 1 and 12. So probably watch the Stanovich lecture first. Those kinds of things. Again, you should have this linking to the discussion board. This tells you about your assignments this week, and then your lecture videos are linked here. So that is your introduction to this week. I'm excited to have you in this class. I'm especially excited for Dunnen-Hallinan chapter 5. That is a lot of cognitive psychology and study tips, things that we've learned about how the brain works and how we can apply that and kind of use how your brain works to do well in, say, remembering things, academic settings, studying, retaining what you take in. So there's a lot of memory tricks that we talk about there, and some that we just allude to that you could do a whole lot of work in researching. Maybe for your lit review, maybe you want to learn more about a specific memory trick that you've heard about before. So, welcome to week 2, and have a good week.